Actually, I just read it was a guilt offering. Was partly a guilt offering as well. But it was improbable, so highly improbable that this could have happened without without God making it happen. And because I'm not a dairy cow farmer. I don't know much about cows. So I didn't know these things until the podcast I listened to is called the Two Trees Podcast. It's one of the podcasts I listened to. They had a guest there who had some experience with dairy cows. And she said that no dairy cow would leave their calf willingly. He said his sacrifice is legit. Father, let's go. I know taking a mama from her little baby will cause trauma because the baby is all alone. I mean, as far as cows. Yeah, do you have experience with cows, Son of Light? I lived near a dairy farm. I lived in the backyard of a dairy farm during my teen years. I could look across the fence and see the cows, but that didn't mean I have experience with the cows. It's just common sense, though, my friend. Just common sense, though, my friend, unless it's an animal that doesn't give a care about its babies. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of things in the Bible are, if you read them with 21st century Western mindset, you go, well, why is this important? Why is it important that they said that this is a dairy cow? Why is it important that they say that they took away the calves? Which is why the Bible should be read in community. The Bible should be read like the Ethiopian eunuch said, how can I know what I'm reading? The Ethiopian eunuch was an educated man, an educated treasurer. The fact that he can read at all shows that he was educated. Not many people could read back then. The Bible can only be explained by the Spirit of God. So we had to have someone who was baptized in the Spirit explain it to him. Awesome, yep. I need coffee, you guys, talking about cows and stuff. Too early. What time is it there? Down under. I'm guessing it's 2:52 a.m. It's 3 o'clock a.m. Good on ya. Coffee from Kangaroo Corpse. 5:52 a.m. on a Sunday. Oh, good morning. Good Sunday to you. You're about to get up and get ready for church. So I've said before on the stream, we're going to a new church. It's new to us. I mean, the church itself is not new, but new to us. Just got a text a few minutes ago. Uh-oh. Tune in later for the rest of that story. All right, so as I was saying, just got a text from my brand new church that there's about to be a meeting for the college ministry, the college age ministry, and my college age daughter is home during the holidays. So I was like, hey, college age daughter, they're about to have something in a few hours, so I'm not sure if you're interested in going or not. I know this is the first time I've told you. So you have at least one child in their 20s. Actually, yeah, approximately 20s. I'm not gonna dox myself, but kangaroos and koalas. Oh my. Sorry, my pronunciation did not pass. I failed it. Ice